Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Start by identifying what you must keep before a factory reset. List photos, contacts, messages, app data, and important documents. Note storage sizes and free space, for example, a 64 GB drive or 128 GB cloud plan. Decide whether you will use cloud backup, local backup to PC, or an external drive. Check account logins and turn on two-factor authentication where needed. Allow at least 30 minutes to prepare accounts, cables, and any required adapters. Begin by backing up photos and videos to a cloud service and a local drive. Use the device gallery export feature or sync to a cloud account. Export contacts as a vCard file and save it to both cloud and PC. Use SMS backup apps to export messages in one file. Create a full local backup to a PC using manufacturer software when available. Verify the backup completed and that file sizes match expectations before proceeding to reset. Verify your backups by opening a few sample files on both cloud and local copies. Check that file sizes and counts match what you expected. If backups include sensitive data, encrypt the backup or use a password-protected archive. Sign out and remove accounts from the device to avoid activation locks. After verification, start the factory reset procedure from Settings or Recovery menu. Keep backup copies for at least 30 days before deleting them, and confirm you can restore when needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.